Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, we're going to be talking about the number 7. 7 is certainly an important number in our daily lives. 7 is a prime number, which means it cannot be obtained by multiplying two smaller numbers together. There are 7 days in a week. 7 is considered to be a lucky number. If you break a mirror, you get 7 years of bad luck. There's the 7 wonders of the world, the 7 deadly sins, the 7 vices, 7 virtues, the 7 seas. Pearl Harbor Day is December 7th. Now that date has huge importance to me because I was born on December 7th. With that said, let's look at some of the ways that the number 7 is important to music. There are 7 letters that represent musical notes. Those letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Played this way. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are the 7 natural notes. Now natural means no flats or sharps. There are 12 notes in all, but the other 5 notes are represented by adding a flat or a sharp sign to one of the existing 7 letters. The 7 natural notes make up the white keys on the piano. If you rearrange these notes and start from the note C, you get the C major scale, which sounds like this. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and we're back to C. These are the 7 notes that rule all of music. All other major scales are modeled after the key of C major, which has 7 notes. All the major scales that exist are made up of 7 notes chosen from the total of 12 notes that exist. There are 7 notes in a major scale. There are 7 chords in every major key. Now where did the 7 chords come from? Let me show you. Basic chords contain 3 notes. We call these triads. Triads come from every other note of a major scale. If we take the key of C major, or the C major scale, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and if we choose every other note from the key of C major starting with the note C, we get C, E, G. These are the notes in a C major chord. If we use this process on each of the 7 notes in the scale, we will wind up with 7 chords. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. These are the chords that would make up a song in the key of C major. These are the 7 chords of a major key or scale. This can be done with any major key or scale. So this is the process that you would use to figure out what chords are in any key. Here is another musical use for the number 7. If you have a single from a pair of dice, like this one around, and you know the number of sharps that are in a major scale or key, you can use simple math to figure out how many flats would be in its alternate flat key. For example, the key of B major has 5 sharps. Flip the dice over, and the key of B flat major has 2 flats. The key of A has 3 sharps. The key of A flat has 4 flats. The key of G major has 1 sharp. The key of G flat major has 6 flats. You see, the number of enharmonic tones in 2 alternate keys always add up to 7. Well, why does this even work? The reason it works is because the number on the top of the die and the number on the bottom of the die always add up to 7. 3 and 4 is 7. 1 and 6 is 7. 5 and 2 is 7. Well, what do you know? The number of enharmonic tones in 2 alternate keys always add up to 7. Well, my friends, these are just some of the ways that the number 7 applies to music. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.